Welcome to TechPeg Unboxing Show. Lenovo is introducing the Unrivaled Dual Display Laptop Experience powered by 11th Gen Intel Core processing. This portable yet versatile business laptop is designed with a focus on productivity. So experience the convenience of a dual display setup, allowing you to sketch, read or check notification on the E-Link display. It's the perfect tool for staying organized and multitasking efficiently. In this episode, we have an exciting unboxing for you. We got our hands on the Lenovo Thinkbook Plus Gen2, a highly anticipated device designated to enhance productivity and user experience. So, without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. First off, let's take a look at the box itself. It has a sleek and professional design with the Lenovo logo prominently displayed. The laptop has a slim and lightweight design, perfect for professionals on the go. The storm grey color gives it a sophisticated look. Moving on to the keyboard, we have a backlit design allowing you to work comfortably in low light conditions. And here we have a couple of Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed data transfer and charging. Wraps up our unboxing of the Lenovo Thinkbook Plus Gen2. We are excited to put this laptop to the test and bring you a comprehensive review soon. Stay tuned. Thank you.